the electrics from the house, so that's all right. Okay. There we are. Oh no, we've got 4 more beads left. Oh no. 4 more grey ones left. Oh. Oh, sorry, that's my mum ringing me. Again, I've told her, don't ring me, mum, I'm streaming. She even told her sister on the phone, she said, oh, Samantha was streaming the other day and I phoned her and she said on her stream, she said, oh, that's my mum ringing me, I tell her not to phone me and she does. And she's still doing it again. I don't know how many times I say, Mum, don't phone me, I'm streaming. She's mad. She'll probably ring again in a minute. The do not disturb on my phone, I don't know why, it is on do not disturb and the alarm is turned off, so I don't really know why it's not acknowledging that. Right, let's see if I've got a couple more in the mixed colour bit. Yeah, exactly. I told you, didn't I, about when she turned up when I was manager of a shop. She turned up. Oh, look, there's 2 there. She turned up on the day the area manager was visiting. And I told her not to. And then went on about how wonderful I was. And that I was her daughter and how wonderful I was. And all this to her. Oh, it was so embarrassing. It drives me mad. Oh, lock that wrong. Now it's not going to come open. Open. Right. There we go. Okay. Right, that's good. Then we've got another 5, so we should just about fill in this little bit. No, not yet. I'm going to tell her that I got my 50 and then I'll say, oh, I wonder how long before I get affiliate, because I bet you she'll say, oh, it'll be ages yet because you've got to do this, that and the other. And I'll say, oh, that's funny. Oh, what does it say on my screen? Oh, yes, it says I'm an affiliate. I keep winding her up because I do YouTube videos as well of me using my dehydrator and making crackers in it and doing fruit leathers, and then I made bread the other day and whatever. And I said, just because it winds her up, you see. It doesn't annoy her, but it winds her up. I say, do you know what I do? And she says, what? I say, I YouTube. She said, what do you mean? I say, YouTube, it's what I do, I YouTube. And now, because I've been doing this, I say to her, do you know what I do? And she'll say, what? And I say, I stream on Twitch, it's what I do. I'm a streamer, it's what I do. And I say, do you know what else I do? And she'll say, what? And I say, I YouTube, that's what I do. I'm a YouTuber, that's what I do. you see. So I can now say, do you know what? Do you know what? She'll say, what? I say, I'm an affiliate. So that's what I do. I'm an affiliate. That's just what I am. And it just winds her up. She hates it. She says, no, you don't. You're not a streamer. You're not a YouTuber. And then a lady bought the dehydrator that I was using because I'd done a review on it. And she sent a message saying, I've bought the dehydrator that you're using because of your review. And so I said to my daughter yesterday, I said, do you know what I do? I said, I'm an influencer. That's what I do. I just am. I'm an influencer. She hates it. I love winding her up. Oh dear. But yes, I shall definitely do. I shall pretend I haven't got it, and then I shall say, "Oh, what's that?" And I'll say, "Oh, do you know what I do now? Oh, yeah, I'm an affiliate. That's what I am. It's just what I am. I'm an affiliate." And I do it every time she comes in the room. So, "Oh, did I tell you what I am?" She'll say, "What?" An affiliate, as well as a streamer and a YouTuber and an influencer. She has been helpful to me though, I'll give her that, because at the start, I think because she watched one of my videos on here saying that I didn't think she liked me being a streamer because it was her thing and she wasn't helping me, and she has actually been helping me since then. So that's nice that she has actually helped me. She's not very patient at helping me, but she has helped me. Got a kinky wire. Got a kinky wire. Oh dear. Right, that's it for that one. We used all the beads, all the grey beads up. There we go. Right, there. Oh, cut that bit off. Bells. The bells. I think I'm going to call that it for today, because I've done 4 hours and 20 minutes. And then I think I shall start my next stream on Monday. I'm streaming Monday, Wednesday and Friday. With doing a snowman. And then I will have some wire straightened out as well, because I forgot to straighten any out before I started today. So I'm going to go back on the main thing and see who is on that we can go over to. We could go over to yeah, is he still on there then? Let's have a look then. No, he's not coming up on. Can you do it? Can you do it as a moderator? Because I can't. He's not. How do I do it? He's not on my followed channels bit. Oh, hang on, he will be. Oh, hang on. Oh, there he is. Right. Let's go. I'll just go back to my thingy, and then I'll send. We'll go over there, and I'll watch him for a few minutes as well, because I'd like to see how he's got on with the that cube then for his mum. So everybody, lurkers and everybody, we are going to go over to Dante. Let's there we go, and we're off. We're all going to go over and raid Dante. Are we there? Are we there? Are we? 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 Have a look.
I really like them. They were the second emote I could use. My first emote comes from when I normally stream. I normally have a rather large bucket of tea with me. So a friend of mine once called it the bucket o' tea, to which I then decided, you know what, I'm going to turn that into an emote as an actual bucket and an actual thing of tea. So the present for my mum is going well. I was wondering why I was having issues